Hey everyone, in this video I am going to walk you through a complete guide on how to use PayPal credit in store without a card. Whether you are avoiding physical cards for security or convenience, I've got you covered. So let's dive in. Most people know PayPal for online payments, but it can also be used in physical stores even without a card. Here's how to get set up. First, download the PayPal app. Make sure you have the latest version of the PayPal app installed on your smartphone. This is your mobile wallet for in-store purchases. Open the app, log in and navigate to the Tools tab. Look for the in-store option and activate it. This will enable you to make payments at physical stores without a card. You have two main options: QR code or One Touch. QR code, many stores will have a QR code that you can scan. Just tap Pay in Store in the app, select Pay with QR code and scan the store's code to complete the transaction. For stores that support NFC, which is a near field communication, you can tap your phone to the payment terminal for a quick contactless payment. Make sure One Touch is enabled in the app. Here are a few final tips to make sure your PayPal payments go smoothly. Check store compatibility. Not all stores support PayPal in-store payments, so double check before you shop. Set up backup payment methods. Have a backup like PayPal credit or a linked bank account or to ensure your payment goes through. Security first. Always use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. And that's it. Now you can use PayPal credit in stores without ever needing a physical card. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.